What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Before we dive into the video, I want to share with you my goal this year to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you find today's video useful, you can help me out by just hitting that red subscribe button to get us one step closer to the goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you guys, so I'm trying to put out as much great content as I can each week for you in exchange for getting you to subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, help us reach our goal, and now let's go ahead and dive into today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Pinterest business account that's going to unlock some additional features so you can access marketing analytics about your account to see how many saves, clicks, and different important data that you're going to need, especially when running ads. So you're going to unlock ads as well when you have a Pinterest business account, if you're going to promote pins and pay money to Pinterest to boost. And there's a lot of other benefits as well to having a business account. So let's go ahead and just start off by searching Pinterest business account here in Google. They've got this business.pinterest.com website we can click on. There's also this little, section here, this link that's on the Google search results that says get a business account. So let's go ahead and click on that one. And it's going to open up this page here, which is get a business account. And it's going to have different instructions. So starting off, ways to create a business account. One, if you don't already use Pinterest, you can just create a new business account by clicking on this little link here on this page. If you already have a personal Pinterest account, then you can do two things. One, you can create a linked business account. So this will let you have a personal account and a business account and keeping them separate, but they're going to be linked together. Or you can actually just convert your personal account into a business account if you don't want two separate standalone accounts. So you've got two options there. They also have some instructions here on what you need to do. So if you're going to create a standalone business account that's separate from your personal account, then what you're going to need to do is log out of your personal account, then go ahead and click on this link here that's going to take you to the page to actually create your business account, where you're going to enter in your information, choose your business name, add your website, country, language. So all these steps here you can follow, and that's how you can create a standalone business account separate of your personal account. Now if you want to just convert the account, then what we're going to do is we're just going to go back up here and click on this convert your personal account. So it's going to scroll us down here to this section where it tells us how to convert our personal account to a business account. So we can switch back to a personal account anytime. So if we convert to a business and we decide we don't want the business account anymore, don't worry, it's not lost. You can always switch back. All right, so steps here, log into our personal account. Click on the little drop down arrow in the top right corner to open your menu. Click on settings, then go to account settings, then find the get started next to convert to business account, and then click on switch to business. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so here I am in my personal Pinterest account. I found that little drop down arrow. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings. Next, I'm going to click on account settings here. All right, so it's going to show me my basic information. So let's go ahead and scroll down here to the bottom. All right, so down here at the very bottom, we can see account changes. It says link your business and personal accounts so you can use one login. So let's go ahead and just click on get started. Linked business account. Creating a linked business account allows you to maintain a single login while keeping your personal and business Pinterest accounts separate. Start by setting up your business profile and begin growing your business following on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and click on this create a linked business account. All right, so it's going to ask us to build our profile. So let's give our profile a name. So I'm just going to do this one as Nick Foy Homes. Or, let's just go ahead and keep it Nick Foy Homes. I don't want to do Realtor Nick Foy. Instead, I'll just use Nick Foy Homes. Do I have a website? So I can go ahead and type in my website if I have one. For right now, I'm just going to check no. And then we've got country, region, English, US. So click next. Describe your business. What is the focus of your brand? So let's see if they have real estate. If they don't have real estate, they don't have business. And what we can do is just click on other. We can add brand focus here. We'll just type in real estate. What are your goals? Pick 3 goals. I want to sell more products. I want to generate more leads. Yes. Drive traffic to my website. Yes. Grow my brand awareness. Yes. So we'll go ahead and click on next. Describe your business. Get customized recommendations based on your details. So I'm a contractor or service provider. So I'll go ahead and just click on that one, hit next. Would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Sure, I might run some Pinterest ads at some point. Click on next. Where would you like to start? Share ideas, grow your audience, showcase your brand. Let's go ahead and just share ideas. That means we'd get started creating a pin, grow your audience, create an ad, or showcase your brand, build your profile. Let's do the build your profile. All right, so it's just loading us here to our Pinterest settings page where we can edit our profile. So we can see our display name on our profile is Nick Foy Homes. We can see our username, which is going to be the URL. So pinterest.com/Nick Foy Homes. So that's my username for now. Then we've got the about your profile. So we can go ahead and add in a description there as well to our profile. So let's just say, real estate tips for home buyers and home sellers. If you live near northern Indiana, contact me to assist you with the home, with your real estate transaction. And I might change this up later, but just giving a little simple bio about my profile. And then as I create my website for my realtor business, I would put my website in there. And then if I want to make an email address public, we could do so there. We've got our country. We could put our phone number in. If it's a retail location, we could put our address in. So lots of different settings here. We'll go ahead and just click on save. All right, so the username's already been taken. So I've probably already created a Pinterest profile for my Nick Foy Homes business and forgotten about it. So all I got to do is just Nick Foy Homes 1, click save. All right, so that's the settings. Now, what I want to point out, now that we have a business profile, we get some additional features up here in the menu bar. Our menu looks way different than it did on the personal account. So the search bar is gone. It's no longer here. The word home is no longer up here. So now to get to the search bar, we just have to click on the search icon, and it'll bring back that search bar here in that dead white space. And now we can, search different things we want to look for on Pinterest if we're browsing for ideas ourselves, inspiration. Now, these are different drop-down tabs that we did not see on the Pinterest personal account page that we get access to when we have a business account. So this drop-down just has our business hub, which is like an overview page where we can see analytics and everything. It's like a dashboard that kind of summarizes everything in one place on the back end. Or we can go out to our home feed, click on that, and it populates ideas. So now we can see our home feed, all kinds of different ideas of pins that we could save to different boards based on interests that we've indicated. So that's what the business drop-down tabs got for you. The create tab, we can create story pins, we can create a pin, or we can create an ad here. So this is all about creation. If we want to upload pins to our profile to get our profile going, I would click on create a pin. Or if, again, you want to boost a pin to try to get more people to see it, pay money, maybe $5 a day to Pinterest to boost your pin for you, we can create an ad. Analytics, this drop down, we can see overview, audience insights, conversion insights, video, and trends. So for example, we go to overview. This is going to show us over time our performance. So we'll be able to see how many impressions we're getting, how many clicks, things like that. So let me go ahead and just quickly drop over into my golf account and show you kind of what those analytics look like. So you can see here we've got, over 900,000 impressions. We've got a large total audience size, over 30,000 engagements a month. So these are the different analytics you'll eventually get to see as your account gets going and you're getting traffic to your pins and saves and clicks, and then it'll just add up here in the analytics section. All right, lastly, we've got the ads tab here. So again, this is where we're going to be able to go if we decide we want to start running Pinterest ads. We can set up our billing by adding in our credit card or our bank account information so they can bill us. And then we can start creating ads and look at reporting to be able to see how our ads are doing, how many impressions we're getting, how many saves, how many clicks to our website. So if we've got a product pin we're trying to promote, maybe to take them over to our e-commerce store, then we could set up ads. So these are the different tabs we get with the business. And then we've got over here, if we want to check our notifications, check our messages, just like we had with our personal account. And then we can get to our profile by clicking on our little icon here, which we'll add a profile picture at some point here. And that'll be, what shows up instead of this letter N. And then the drop-down arrow is how we can get to the back end where we have our settings. If we want to link up accounts, we can add additional Pinterest accounts so we can just go back and forth between accounts and not have to keep logging in and logging out as well. All right, since you made it all the way through today's YouTube video, I want to share with you an important resource I put together regarding Pinterest. So it's called Pinterest for Business. It's updated every month, so there's going to be new content coming into this resource library. You can scroll down the page here and you can read through all the sales copy, but I'm not really a salesman. All I care about doing is putting out the best videos that I can put out for you so you can help teach yourself how to use Pinterest using these training videos. So you're going to get a lot of cool worksheets, different checklists that I start you off with, and a free month of Tailwind. We're also going to go into a lot of the beginner steps starting out, but we're going to get more advanced as well, like how to use your business account to sell things on, Etsy or your website, or build an email list. I'm going to go over the Pinterest algorithm, how it works, so you can learn how to get more pins to stand out on Pinterest so that you can get more clicks to your website, to your blog, to your products. We're going to talk about the secrets to creating viral content on Pinterest. I've got a viral pin checklist you can check out here as well. And then we're going to get into the automation aspect so you can set up scheduling pins with Tailwind to save yourself a ton of time, as well as how to, manually pin still to get some benefit from manual pinning. So overall, there's all kinds of modules here inside of this course that you can use to better your Pinterest knowledge and, help your business out and get better at marketing on Pinterest. So again, we're adding videos every single month. So this library of videos is only going to get bigger and bigger. And the price is going to go up with time as well because, the more content we fill it up with, the more we're going to need to start charging. And so with that being said, go ahead and get the early bird pricing today. You can check out the link below in this YouTube video, or you can go to asknickfoy.teachable.com and just look for this Pinterest for Business course. I also have some other courses, so try to scroll through them and find the one for Pinterest.